Happy New Year, Dazzlers! Welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you are safe and doing well. In today's video, I share with you 3 Valentine's Day home decor ideas in non-traditional colors using items that were mostly from Dollar Tree. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. I'm starting off with 6 5-inch square mirrors. I removed the tabs and stickers from the back of my mirrors, and I painted the back and sides of my mirrors with black acrylic paint. I also painted these wooden ornaments with gold paint that I picked up from my local craft store. Once my paint was dry, I used a strong adhesive to attach the wooden heart ornaments to the front of 4 of my mirrors. "20 minutes later, I began building my mirrored box. Once I've adjusted my mirrors, there's usually a small gap in each of the corners, and to close those gaps, I'm using these Dollar Tree wood skewers. I'll let you know that these are the 36-inch skewers that I picked up from Dollar Tree this past summer. I added a crystal knob to the top of my 6th mirror. I allowed my box to dry overnight, and here's the finished look. For project number 2, I'm using a tall Dollar Tree cylinder vase and rubber bands. Once my rubber bands were in place, I took my vase out to a well-ventilated area and gave it 3 thin coats of gold metallic spray paint. And once my vase was completely dry, I removed the rubber bands. I've decided to add this Dollar Tree gold pearl wrap to my vase as well. Once my pearl wrap was in place, I added 2 additional coats of the Mod Podge over the entire vase. While my vase dries, I've decided to make some Valentine's Day pics with more of the ornaments and wood skewers. Here, I'm adding Dollar Tree extra fine gold glitter to one of my pics. I then sealed in the glitter with 1 thin layer of Mod Podge. I found these really pretty king glitter roses in the Valentine's Day section of my local Dollar Tree. I'm using these, my gold picks, and some Dollar Tree acrylic gems to put together my floral arrangement. For project number 3, I'm using 2 Dollar Tree Margarita glasses, candles, and fragrance oils. I'll need wax for this project, so I'm melting the wax in these 2 candles on my stovetop in a pot of water. While my wax is melting, I'm giving my Margarita glasses 2 coats of this Mod Podge extra fine glitter mixture. Here's what the wax looked like melted. It does take some time to melt the wax slowly on your stove top. I did place my candles in the microwave for a few seconds to speed up the process, but either way, please be careful. The wax is hot. I'm also reusing the wick that came with my candles. So here I placed the wick in a straw. I'll use a small amount of hot glue to attach the wick to the center of my margarita glass. I allowed my wax to cool for about 5 minutes. I then added my fragrance oil and then poured the wax directly into the glass. I've decided to add that same gold paint to the rim and the bottom of my glasses. I thought I needed a bit more wax in each of my glasses, so I reheated the wax in a third candle, and here's the finished look. So there you have it, guys. 3 super simple DIYs using non-traditional colors that can be used on Valentine's Day and beyond. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you haven't already, be sure to visit my new website, FromDeniseWithLove.com. A huge thank you to everyone who has visited the site, signed up to be a part of the email list, and made a purchase. I'll add a link to the website in the description box and in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, I upload new videos every single week, so until next time, Dazzlers, bye!